No. 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 Yes. Oh, hi. I've just been going through my big box of pens trying to find one that actually works. I've thrown about 3 dozen away so far that don't, but here's one that actually does work, so I start writing a script. So, welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, then great to see you again. Welcome back. If it's your first time, have a look around. Enjoy the videos. Please do like the ones you think are good. Feel free to share them with other people through social media or email or whatever, and please do subscribe. Completely free, and we will only tell you about the new videos that are coming out. Now, as regular viewers know, I always do a quick tip, and today I'm going to be talking about magnifying loupes. That's L-O-U-P-E-S, and they're like this. This particular set has got 2 different magnifications, so you've got 1 magnification, 2 magnifications, or 3 magnifications. So you can hold them in your hand, or if you wear spectacles, you can. There's a little clip here, so you can clip them on the side of the specs, and then just move them in as you require them. Let's get that less tangled. So you can then just flick them in as you need them, and you can really zoom in on close detail on stuff. Wish I could show you through a camera, but unfortunately I can't. Anyway, today we're going to be talking about how to keep your computers cool when it's all hot everywhere else. So let's get started. Well, it's been a heat wave these last few weeks, so I'm hot and my computer's hot. Now, I can cool myself down by sitting in the shade or having a glass of water, but computers work by sucking air in all the time and blowing it out to keep themselves cool. So basically, it's like having a vacuum cleaner running all the time. And what do vacuum cleaners do? They suck in dust, and so do computers. The dust blocks up the airways, gets the computer hotter, so we need to do something about that. Let's have a look at this laptop first of all. Now, laptops work by sucking air in, usually on the bottom these days, and blowing it out through some exhaust vents. Might be on the side, some get down here. What's happening is sucking air in, blowing it out. So you can check your computer's overheating by feeling the exhaust that's coming out, seeing if that seems really hot, more than a gentle mild breeze is warm. And secondly, run your hand over the bottom, feeling for any particular hot spots. If you feel them, then you need to do something about it. So, as I said, laptops like that. Now, the big danger with laptops these days is people like them really, really slim. So the problem we have, if you look at that, you should be able to see that there's not much gap underneath the computer there for air to get in. Remember, as I said, air's being sucked in here. But what a lot of people do is they're working on, say, the tabletop or in the duvet or something like that. So look at that now. Put a towel there. You can see there's no way any air's going to get in there. So make sure you always have your computer on a surface like a tray or something like that to keep the vents clear. Otherwise, you'll be condemning yourself to an even bigger problem. Okay. So, what's the way to clear a laptop? Probably better to do this outside if you haven't done it for a while, but turn the computer off completely so everything's stopped. Find the exhaust vent and then blow down it as hard as you can, like you're trying to play a harmonica for the whole of the Albert Hall. And you'll find dust will come out all over the place. Keep doing that till the dust is gone, and that's what you can do there. If necessary, take the bottom off, but blowing through should be sufficient for you. Now, if you've got a desktop, then it's a slightly different configuration. The first thing you need to do is get inside the computer by taking the side off the case. That's normally the side that's opposite where the USB ports are. Here's an illustration. Now, when you're inside, then find the heatsink and the fan. I'm just pointing out to you here. They all have different configurations, but you'll pretty much get the idea. It's going to be a big fan and a big heatsink. So, what can you do? Now, here's a heatsink off another computer and the fan there. So you need to make sure that this and this are kept clean. Now, you can be posh and get a can of air, compressed air, and blow it out that way. Or, this is the free suggestion, get a straw. Hold the fan tight, get your straw and blow. Right, that's better. And keep it clear. And then finally, use a brush just to get the last bits of dust off the fan and things like that. That'll get your computer nice and cool. Reassemble it, everything will be fine. So, that's it. A completely free way to get your computers nice and cool and working better in the sun. I've enjoyed it, except the bit blowing through the straw. Hope you found it useful. If you have, please like it. Remember, share it with other people and do subscribe so you can find out when new videos are coming out. So, great to see you again. Look forward to seeing you soon. Bye.